Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 AMC AMX with a 390 engine and a 4-speed. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it had a few modifications done to it. It has the 1968 AMX chrome wheels, the Magnum 500s. 1969, they had the trim ring on them, and they were no longer chrome. And the owner replaced the steering wheel, and he put a pistol grip 4-speed in it, so you can never do bad with that. That makes it look cool, and probably makes it a little bit easier for shifting. Also, the color, I'm not sure. It looks more like a grabber blue than a big bad blue, but I'm guessing that the owner painted it and did things to it the way he liked, so it's his dime, so he might as well do what he likes. But it was a great looking car anyway. And 69 was the second year for the AMX, and they had a few changes on them versus the 68s. As I mentioned, the Magnum 500 steel road wheels were no longer chrome plated, but they came with a stainless steel trim ring now. And you get the racing stripes in 5 colors. And interior-wise, it had revised instrumentation with 8,000 RPM tachometer, which matched the speedometer now. And the speedometer went to 140 miles an hour instead of 120, like on a 1968 model. Also, the interior door panels were revised. They had the more of a square wood grain on the in front by the handle, and then the armrest had a piece of wood grain trim on them, as opposed to the 68 models. And they upgraded the carpeting, and leather upholstery was optional, and that's what this one has leather seats in it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.